have to have the cable output. I don't know what channel, but let's see. Well, the last time I had this app active was I think 2 days ago, and I had Joe and Mr. Midnight Movie on. Everybody could hear them well, but they couldn't hear me at all. So stop what? Sorry, someone sent me a message. He said I came in clear for a second, then I went out. Is it better now? Is it better now? Yeah, I did. I need to know. I have Holly and Mr. White on. Thank you both for helping me. We had an eventful week this last week. It's been crazy. I had one child broke her foot. That was this week. Yes, that one's she fell, and she was walking, and there was like a pothole, and she didn't see it, and it was snowing, and oh my goodness, just slightly snowing, fell. Me. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't use the sound mapper. You think that might be the problem? You're not coming through at all. Okay, try now. You don't know how much I appreciate this. Let's try. I made one little small adjustment. I'm not hearing anybody now. Okay. Let's see. I sound worse. They're telling me I sound worse now. Okay. No, that's helpful though. I appreciate that. Let's go.
It's getting very. Yes.
Yes.
Microphone real tight. That would be your laptop, right? Or something. It's a built-in microphone.
Okay. Need a change to my output. Oh God, I hate this echo. All right, does it sound better now? Okay, I sound better. So the mapper is a good one to use. Okay, so I need to um let me try it this way with the cable and output. Go ahead and talk. I think I may have made a difference now. And I don't have an echo. Are you drinking tonight? Are we sober? You popped a what? Like a beer? Okay, so it's not playing your voices at all. All right. Let me try channel 3. Maybe that might work. Or do this. Maybe that will work much better. Go ahead and talk, you guys. Let's push play. At least I don't have an echo now. I'm learning a lot. You guys are helping me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You're very kind. I'm not hearing you guys again. I know it's just a simple change. Hmm. Maybe if I do this one again. I can't be right. Why don't I hang up and call you back? Because someone said it works a lot better. You first call them, you hang up, and then you call back. Let me try it. Maybe it might help. And again, I appreciate it. Okay, well, I didn't mean to cut you off like that. So I'm going to listen to myself one more time to at least hear that, make certain that I don't have an echo. Because that was a big deal. Figure out how you don't have an echo. Okay, that sounds good. Let's go to Skype and call and get Mr. White up first. And then I'll add you in a minute, Polly. All right. Are you there, sir? Okay, great, great, great. Okay, now I got to find Paul again. And go ahead and listen in and see if you can hear yourself. Add to group call. I appreciate that. Polly, you there? Let's see who just gave me a message. Um, I think I hear him. Oh, you got me all happy there for a minute. Mm-hmm. Okay, if I go to someone saying you're picking up mic feedback wearing earphones. Um, let's see here. Maybe now? Maybe I gotta push the button on these other two things. Maybe now. With echo. Maybe if I do that. See if the echo's still. Oh, that sounds awful. Okay, one moment. Tell me if that's made a difference. It'll take a moment before it takes effect. Yeah, the echo went away, didn't it? Yeah, I can hear it. He uses a mixer.
Okay. Well, no, and I've been leaving it open here, and I don't hear anything. So, okay. Well, no, and I've been leaving it open here, and I don't hear anything. I'm coming through.
He hears white.
Yahoo! Yeah, he can hear color. Okay, so, oh well, it's too late for me to turn my guitar on. No, it's
He hears white.
Yahoo! No, you know what? I live in an apartment, you know, and
Oh.
yeah, when I had a house, everything was fine, but the house has been gone for, oh, over 4 years now. So now it's an apartment, and I'm not even the oldest person in the building.